Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a story writing. A merchant and the robber. One day a merchant was riding through a forest. He had a bag containing gold coins. At this time it began to rain heavily and the merchant got fully drenched. He became very dissatisfied and blamed God for putting him into trouble and discomfort. At this moment, a robber appeared there. The robber, armed with a gun, demanded money. But the merchant refused to give him the money and rode away from the robber. He chased him and aimed his gun at the merchant, but the gun did not go off as the powder had become wet in the rain. Thus the merchant was able to escape and thanked God for the rain. Moral: God is good. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.